Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to add sounds to the Discord soundboard directly from your phone. It's a bit different from the desktop version, but it's just a simple once you know how. Let's get into it. First, you will need the sound clips you want to use. Make sure they are in a compatible format like MP3, WAV, or OGG format. You can use any audio editing app or to trim and adjust your sounds before uploading. You cannot do it from their app, so open a browser and go to discord.com and log into your account. Now after logging in, from the options menu, select desktop site here. Then you will be redirected to their desktop site. Now from here, click the arrow icon from here. Now here you will see a bunch of options. Now from your server, select the select server settings menu. Now from here you will see a lots of option. From here select soundboard, and now tap on upload sound and select the file from your phone storage. Give it a catchy name, add an emoji if you want, add heatsink. Once it's uploaded, hop into a voice channel and test it out. Just tap the soundboard icon and play your new sound to make sure it's working. Make sure your sound files are short and appropriate for your server. Nobody likes an accidental ear blast. And that's it. You have just added a custom sound to your Discord server from your phone. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more quick tech tips.